While some will cause tension, others will bring joy. Authorized dealers are notified by Patek Philippe of impending 7% price increases and the watches that will be phased out in the upcoming year. So let's find out which 8 models will be eliminated in 2024. First place, the 52/30th Patek Philippe World Time. The platinum version of the World Time, featuring a blue galoche dial, was introduced at Watches and Wonders 2022. It was manufactured in 2016. A watch that skillfully blends style and functionality. The 38mm case, made of durable platinum, has an alluring blue dial that gives it a contemporary flair. This watch is more than just a timepiece for people who have a global outlook thanks to its World Time feature. With its 30 meters of water resistance, it can be used in a variety of situations. This watch retails for $73,000. One is currently available for $80,000, a meager $7,000. Next, the Travel Time 51/64A Patek Philippe Aquanaut. When it was first introduced in 2011, one of its most notable features was its dual time zone functionality, which made it simple for the wearer to track 2 different time zones at once. Because of this, it's perfect for business executives or frequent travelers who are constantly on the go throughout the world. This movement, which includes the Gyromax balance and Spiromax balance spring, exhibits fine craftsmanship and painstaking attention to detail. Features 29 jewels, 294 parts, and a 45-hour power reserve. The Aquanaut's dial is black with gold-applied numerals and glowing hour markers. The retail price of $36,000, they are now available for $85,000, yielding a healthy $49,000 profit. Patek Philippe Nautilus Chronograph 59/80ths 1A, 1R, and 1AR, number 3. A renowned and highly sought-after timepiece that epitomizes the brand's dedication to horological excellence, the Nautilus was introduced in 2006 and is distinguished by its traditional round case shape crafted from 18K rose gold. With a 45mm diameter, roughly the timing functions can be operated intuitively thanks to the chronograph pushers on the right side of the casing. These 3 watch references have all taken on more than they can handle, which could lead to an increase in secondary market prices. Selling for $178,000 after a retail price of $108,000 yields an astounding $70,000 profit. The Patek Philippe 51/47G annual calendar, which debuted in 2005, is an exceptional timepiece that exemplifies the brand's ability to combine classic elegance and intricate horology. It features a stunning blue lacquered dial set in a white gold case. The diamond set bezel, which strikes the ideal mix between wearability and flex appeal, is the timepiece's cherry on top. Their retail cost is $57,000. Patek Philippe Annual Calendar 53/96R and 53/96G is number 4. 2008 saw the release of the 53/96. The elegant Dauphine-style hands and applied hour markers are expertly made, which enhances the watch's overall appeal. The annual calendar reference 53/96R/015, worn with a formal suit to seal the deal or dressed down with more casual attire, is a statement piece and a beloved companion. However, the white gold and rose gold have both plummeted like the Titanic as a result of their discontinuation. These are on sale for $47,000, a great deal that might increase in value once they are discontinued, although they retail for $57,000. Next, the 51/60/500G Grand Complication Perpetual Calendar by Patek Philippe. 8 complications went into creating this masterpiece, which made its debut at Basel World in 2010. This novelty has a nod to traditional historical watches from the early 1900s, and it exudes a vintage vibe that is consistent with its manufacturing heritage. An unparalleled masterwork of opulent refinery, we could ramble on and on about the artisanal abilities and handcrafting all day. The product is available for $250,000, a proud $170,000 profit, after retailing for $80,000. Patek Philippe Nautilus Reference 5712R, number 6. When this watch was first introduced in 2006, collectors and celebrities alike flocked to buy it. Along with its other outstanding features, which include the renowned octagonal bezel shape, integrated bracelet, date display, and power reserve indicator, this luxurious and stylish watch with moon phase has become immensely popular. This luxury sports watch has become a symbol of timeless elegance and sophistication due to its limited availability and high demand. With a $55,000 profit at retail and a $95,000 market price, Patek Philippe Nautilus 7010 Are comes next. Originally released in 2016, it appears that only the strongest will survive in this case, as the white and gold dial versions are no longer available. For a cost of $45,000. Patek Philippe Aquanaut Loose Haute Joaillerie 50/60 seconds for 50 Are is number 7. The Aquanaut Loose adds a feminine touch with a more sophisticated and elegant aesthetic while keeping the sporty and contemporary design elements of the Aquanaut series. There are 25 different diamond shapes with unique geometric patterns, ranging from brilliant cut to trapeze. Sold for $300,000 after retailing for $80,000. Next, 52/69 Are Patek Philippe Aquanaut Loose Travel Time. Initiated in 2021, it has a subtle white dial with Arabic numerals and a quartz movement that is driven by a bezel coated in diamonds. This three-hand, straightforward watch without a date window is understated but elegant. Retail $42,000, and it is currently asking $80,000. This concludes the 2024 Patek Philippe models that have been discontinued. Are there any models that you wish had remained, or are you in favor of the discontinuation? Thank you for viewing the video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share.